Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to start the third part of the third chapter of political science, that is political parties. In that, we are going to study the regional parties. In our previous session, we have seen the national parties. So, see what is the regional party? Regional party means state party. See, regional parties are those groups in the region who have a proud feeling about the different identity of their region and who compete to get political power with the objective of regional development. See, regional parties means the group who is having feeling about proud feeling about their different identity. Means suppose we are living in Maharashtra, so we are Marathi people, so we are having proud about that. Gujarati living people, they will think we are very superior, we are Gujarati. So like that, different identity of their region. And due to that, the feeling about to compete to get political power with the objective of regional development, with by developing our region, if we are getting political power, then that party is called as regional parties. The influence of regional parties is limited to a particular region, though they play a significant role at the regional level. They influence national political parties as well. Regional parties give preference to the resolution of the regional problems. So here it is said that regional parties, they are having their influence till their region. But in another sentence they are saying they are, though they play a significant role at the regional level, they influence national politics as well. Means though they are having influence till their region, but then also they are having their influence the national politics, means at the national level. Regional parties give preference to the resolution of the regional problems, whatever problems are in that region. So it is the responsibility of the regional parties to sort out, to find the solution of that issues, regions, problems. Okay, for the development of the region, by demand more autonomy and authority, though they cooperate with federal government, they try to protect their autonomy. So regional parties, they are trying to sort out the regional problems by putting forth their demands, by using autonomy and authority. Means suppose in Maharashtra some vacancy or job opportunities are make available, that time regional parties, they will ask, give first chance to the our own children, students. Means suppose police bharti is there, then regional party will say first elect our Maharashtra student, then afterwards you think about other students. So like that, they are putting forth their demands, more autonomy and authority. Means we should get more autonomy, we should get more authority. We are living in Maharashtra, so first government should think about Maharashtra people, then others, those who came from other states. So regional parties make several demands, such as regional problems should be resolved at regional level, political power should be in the hands of the people from region, and resident of the region should get preference in the administration and jobs. So regional parties, they are having several demands, they make several demands. So what they said, they first here they say that regional problem should solve at regional level, it should not go at the central level. Second, they are saying political power should be in the hands of the people from the region and residents of the region. Means political power that should be in the hands of the people. Those are here resident Maharashtra living. Suppose it we are thinking about Gujarat, so Gujarat regional party will think about their own. Andhra, in their regional parties will think about Andhra. So in this way, any region, any regional party, they will think about these things to their own region. Means the problem should be solved at the regional level. Any region, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, any region. So again, the people, in their hand political power should be there, and preference should be given in the administration and the jobs. So that demands regional parties are making to the government. So next is the changing nature of regional parties. Regional parties came into existence in India in the post independence period, means after independence period. However, over the years their nature and role has changed significantly. Means as the time is passing, regional parties role, their nature has changed. So what changes takes place, we'll study. Initially, regional identities give rise to the separatist movement. The demand for independent Khalistan, Dravidi, Dravidistan were made with the objective of parting from the Indian Federation and exist as an independent state. Regional parties from Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Jammu Kashmir have made such demands. So first here is said that separatist movement. What is the separatist movement? Means separate state. We have studied in our 9th standard chapter also the same thing. So here it is said that regional parties, they give rise to the separatist movement. Means we need our separate state. The demand for independent Khalistan, we have seen that in the Punjab, some regional parties, they were asking for the separate Khalistan, and Dravidistan were made the objective of parting from India Federation. Means these regional parties, they want to make their own state. They don't want to merge with the state government. So like that demands were made in the different regions like Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Jammu Kashmir, that places. Number 2, the demand of regional parties gradually changed. Instead of an independent state, they started demanding more autonomy. This was the second stage in the development of regional parties. This stage began after 1990. So we have seen the change. Earlier they were asking for the separate region, but now the demand has changed. Now that regional parties, instead of independent state, they started to demanding more autonomy. Means we need more power in our hands. So that change we found after 1990. Third year is given, the regional parties demanded that for the development of region, people from region should get power at state and national level. For example, Shiv Sena, Telugu Desam, etc. So third, their change we have seen that they were demanding for the development of the region. Means if we want to develop our region, so the people, those are native, those are resident of this region, that people should get the power at the state as well as at the national level. So here it is said Shiv Sena and Telugu Desam, etc. Number 4, the development of regional parties in the northeast shows a different trend. In the northeast, we have seen the different trend. What is that? they gave up their demand of separatism and have started demanding autonomy. So northeast, they gave up their demand of separatism. They says we require more autonomy. So the regional parties from northeast are now entering in mainstream of national politics. In short, we can say that role of regional parties in India has passed through various phases, from separatism to autonomy, and now towards entry into mainstream national politics. Mainstream of national politics means at the center our problems. Regional parties, they are thinking that we should at the center. Coalition politics is one of the consequence of their increasing influence in national politics. So coalition government means two political parties are coming together to form the government, to establish the government. That is the coalition politics. So that is also that is coalition politics is increasing influence in the national politics. Now we are having Maharashtra, in our Maharashtra, Shiv Sena, Congress and Nationalist Congress, three parties coalition. So in this way they have formed their government. So here it is saying same, coalition politics is one of the consequence of their increasing influence in the national politics. In India, we have many regional parties. It is not possible to know about all such parties in this chapter. We will study some parties are representative of India's east, west, north and south region. So there are many regional parties, but we are taking information about some important, or they are representatives of the east, west, north and south regions. First we will study about, see, some major regional parties as shown below. First is here given Shiv Sena. So here that is the logo of Shiv Sena. What are the objectives? See, so main political party in Maharashtra established in 1966. What is the objective of that regional party? First, protection of the rights of Marathi people, promotion of Marathi language and residence to people from other regions. So these are the objectives, means for the protection of Maratha people, Shiv Sena party has established to promote the Marathi language. Our language is superior. So instead of superior, we can say we love our Marathi language. So everywhere Marathi spread should be there. Next, in 1995, it entered into the coalition with BJP and came to power in Maharashtra. It shares power with the BJP in Maharashtra since 2014. We have seen at the central BJP and Shiv Sena that they formed the government, and even in 1995 also they came into power with the BJP in Maharashtra. Okay, and in this now next is the Shiromani Akali Dal. So that is the symbol of logo of the Shiromani Akali Dal symbol. So what are the objectives when it is established? We'll see. Shiromani Akali Dal established in 1920, a prominent regional party in Punjab. Objective of cultivating religious and regional identity, and assume power in Punjab for many years. So Shiromani Akali Dal, their main objective is to cultivate religious and regional identity in the Punjab, and this party is assuming power in Punjab for many years. Next party is the Jammu and Kashmir National Conference. So here is the symbol of that party. Main regional party in Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir National Conference. So it is a main regional party in the Kashmir region, established in 1932. What is the objective of this? Protect the interests of Kashmiri people and protection of autonomous status. So that is the objective of Jammu and Kashmir National Conference. Next, Assam Gan Parishad. So this is the symbol of Assam Gan Parishad regional party. Assam agreement was signed in 1985. Resolve the problem of the displaced people, protection of unique culture, linguistic and social identity of Assam, economic development of Assam. These all are the objectives of Assam Gana Parishad. So assume power in Assam for many years. So next regional party is Dravid Munitra Kazhagam. So Justice Party. So rising sun. So that is the symbol of that political party. Regional party. And Justice Party, a non-Brahmin movement in 1920, was transformed into Dravida Munitra Kazhagam, a political party. In 1944, Justice Party came in to be known as Dravida Kazhagam. So here it is said that first in 1920 a non-Brahmin movement was started and that was transformed into Dravid Munitra Kazhagam. Then in 1944 Justice Party came to be known as Dravida Kazhagam. In 1920 the name was Justice Party. In 1944 Dravid Kazhagam, that name has given. In 1944 a group separated from this party and established another party, Dravida Munitra Kazhagam. Another group separated from this party in 1972 and established All India Dravida Munitra Kazhagam. So see, there are time to time many changes in this party. 1944 this party separated, means some leaders they have separated and they formed Dravida Munitra Kazhagam. Earlier his name was Justice Party, then it Dravida Munitra Kazhagam in 1944. In 1944 again a group is separated from this and they have established Dravida Munitra Kazhagam. And then in 1972 All India Dravida Munitra Kazhagam. So that name has given. Protection of Tamil identity. Members of coalition government at the center for some years. The party has support of voters from all sections of society. It was in power for a long period and implemented many policies. So that is the information about Dravida Munitra Kazhagam party. Okay, now we'll see another. In India, we have many regional parties in every state that have influenced the state's politics. The following chart shows the performance of regional parties in Maharashtra in the election of 2009 and 2014. So see, regional parties in Maharashtra. Representation in the Vidhan Sabha 2009 and 2014. So see, Shiv Sena in the year 2009 in the elections of Vidhan Sabha they have secured 44 seats and 2014 63 seats. Maharashtra Navnirman Sena, Manase we can call, 13 seats they secure in 2009 and just 1 seat in the 2014 election. Then Peasants and Workers Party, 4 seats in 2009 and 3 seats in 2014. Republican Party of India, Bahujan Mahasangh. So that party secured 1 seat in 2009, same 1 seat in 2014 election. Republican Party of India, they did not secure any seat in 2009 as well as 2014. Samajwadi Party 2009 selection they have secured 4 seats and 2014 1 seat. Next, Bahujan Vikas Aghadi, 2 seats in the election of 2009 and 3 seats in 2014. Rashtriya Samaj Paksh 1 seat in 2009 and same 1 seat in 2014. All India Majlis A Ittihadul Muslimin, they did not secure 2009, but in 2014 2 seats, means it was not established in 2009 maybe. Okay, next is given Jana Jan Surya Shakti 2 seats in 2009 and no seat in 2014. Lok Sangram 1 seat in 2009 and did not secure any seat in 2014. Swabhimani Party 1 seat in 2009, did not secure any seat in 2014's election. So okay, All India Majlis A Ittihadul Muslimin, that party was not exist in 2009 selection. Okay, can you tell, every state in India has regional parties. It is not possible to take review of all those parties. Find out information about other regional parties with the help of a map of India. So there are many regional parties, but all information we did not took in this chapter. But students, you have to find out information about other regional parties. In this chapter, we took a review of national and regional political parties in India. In the next chapter, we will try to understand the importance of social movement in our life. So, children, we have studied here national parties as well as regional parties. In our next chapter, we will study the social movements and their importance in our life. So, thank you very much.